Hi, my name is Vigentis and this is Caprice, the 19-foot sailing boat that I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. 86% of you watching is not subscribers, so press subscribe to help the channel grow now, and you're gonna see more better content. Thanks. So, we're gonna try and eliminate more leaks. We're just gonna take these screws out. That's the railing outside, and do it. Don't want more leaks. Right, we got those couple holes there now, and this is from the rails. We're gonna try to get them, renew them. Sun, give it a lick of paint, do the epoxy and put it on. So it seems alright. Nothing serious. Seems alright. There we go. Sand it off, seal it, and sand it. Right, gonna give it a little sandy. Right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some wood in there and some glue, make it more smaller. I got some hardwood there, and I cut bits and sand with the glue. Easily this makes the hole smaller, like this. Bank. Right, now it's dry. I'm just gonna tidy up like this. Nice. I made some contraction in here. Just gonna varnish. Let's get your varnish. Yeah. Right, gonna give another couple of coats and it's ready to roll. Clean up. So we put the screw with some juice. Now I'm gonna screw it. So, a couple more in here. It's on. Feels solid, a little bit bodge, but it'll do. A couple cracks, but because the screws went wrong direction. Anyway, I hope it's gonna stop water coming through. Move on. 86% of you is not subscribers, so go now, press subscribe and help the channel to grow. See you next time.